Thank you guys for joining me on my channel. Today's look is all about our January Boxy Charm collection. I'm going to go in with my 8 brow pencil. Then I'm going to go in with my Glam metal palette, placing heavy metal all over my lids. Then rock on in the center of my eyelids. Next, I'm using Miss Eyelash Handmade Mink hair eyelashes, and I'm gonna go back in with my heavy metal right underneath my eyelid. Next, I'm gonna be using my Pearl Bronze and Brighten, using Blushing Glow as a highlighter. And my Girlactik Beauty Matte Lip Paint in Demure. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial. If you have any looks you would like to see, please comment below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.